The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup stands as a beacon of nostalgia, innovation, and craftsmanship, blending the charm of classic designs with the capabilities of modern engineering. This truck doesn't just cater to automotive enthusiasts, it's a statement piece for anyone who appreciates the fusion of history and technology. The designers at GMC have painstakingly worked to craft a vehicle that honors the brand's heritage while addressing the needs of today's drivers. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, you are struck by its commanding presence. Its design borrows heavily from the classic GMC pickups of the 1950s and 1960s, featuring bold lines, a boxy silhouette, and a chrome-laden grille that proudly displays the GMC badge. The round headlights, a nod to vintage aesthetics, are reimagined with advanced LED technology, offering superior illumination while retaining the truck's retro charm. Every detail, from the steel bumpers to the prominent wheel arches, exudes a sense of rugged elegance. The truck bed, constructed from durable aluminum and reinforced with steel, harks back to an era when pickups were built to last. GMC has incorporated a modern twist by including a smart tailgate with multiple configurations for loading and unloading cargo effortlessly. A wood-paneled bed liner further enhances the vintage appeal while ensuring durability. The designers have seamlessly integrated these retro features with practical innovations, creating a truck that performs as good as it looks. Step inside the cabin, and you are greeted by a harmonious blend of classic design elements and state-of-the-art technology. The dashboard is dominated by a large, high-resolution touchscreen that provides access to GMC's latest infotainment system. Despite its modern capabilities, the interface has been styled to resemble the analog gauges of yesteryear, with digital dials mimicking the vintage speedometers and tachometers. Plush leather seats with contrast stitching, wooden accents on the dashboard and doors, and a retro-inspired steering wheel contribute to the truck's old-school vibe. However, this is no bare-bones vehicle. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance features ensure comfort and convenience on every journey. Under the hood lies the heart of the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup, a powerful yet efficient engine that bridges the gap between performance and sustainability. Buyers can choose between a traditional V8 engine, reminiscent of the roaring powertrains of classic trucks, and a cutting-edge electric powertrain that delivers instant torque and zero emissions. The V8 option has been meticulously engineered to meet modern emission standards without sacrificing the throaty growl that enthusiasts love. Meanwhile, the electric variant features a dual-motor setup that offers impressive range and towing capacity, making it a practical choice for eco-conscious drivers. GMC's engineers have worked tirelessly to ensure that the vintage pickup delivers a driving experience that matches its striking appearance. The suspension system has been tuned for a smooth ride, whether cruising on highways or tackling off-road trails. Advanced four-wheel drive capabilities, coupled with a range of driving modes, allow the truck to handle diverse terrains with ease. Whether you're using it as a daily driver, a weekend adventurer, or a workhorse, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup rises to the occasion. Safety has not been overlooked in this retro-modern masterpiece. The truck is equipped with GMC's latest suite of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. A 360-degree camera system ensures that parking and maneuvering are effortless, even in tight spaces. These features provide peace of mind, making the vintage pickup a dependable choice for families and professionals alike. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup isn't just about functionality, it's also a vehicle that invites personalization. GMC offers an extensive range of customization options, allowing buyers to tailor their trucks to suit their tastes. From custom paint colors inspired by classic GMC hues to unique wheel designs and interior finishes, the possibilities are nearly endless. Enthusiasts can also opt for heritage-inspired badges and decals, further accentuating the truck's vintage appeal. One of the most impressive aspects of the vintage pickup is its ability to evoke a sense of nostalgia while remaining firmly grounded in the present. It's a celebration of GMC's legacy, paying homage to the trucks that help build the brand's reputation for durability and dependability. At the same time, it's a forward-looking vehicle that embraces innovation and addresses the evolving needs of drivers. This delicate balance is what sets the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup apart from other trucks on the market. Owning a 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup is more than just having a mode of transportation. It's about becoming part of a story that spans generations. Whether you're a longtime GMC fan or a newcomer to the brand, this truck invites you to experience the best of both worlds. It's a vehicle that honors the past while driving boldly into the future, offering something truly special for those who appreciate timeless design and modern ingenuity. In a world where trends come and go, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup stands as a testament to the enduring appeal of classic craftsmanship and forward-thinking innovation. It's a truck that bridges the gap between generations, uniting drivers with a shared love for quality, performance, and style. With its perfect blend of old and new, the Vintage Pickup isn't just a vehicle, it's an icon in the making.